everybody, myself Jyoti Vashist from Surat School Rewari. Friends, our today's topic is chemical reactions of ethanol. Ethanol, the common name of ethanol is ethyl alcohol. Its molecular formula is C2H5OH. Friends, ethyl alcohol, ethanol is neutral in nature. Neutral in nature means it not change, not turn red litmus to blue, blue to red. That means does not affect on litmus paper. It is neither acidic nor basic. It is neutral in nature. Now some reactions related to ethyl alcohol. Combustion reaction. As we know that combustion reaction is the burning reaction in which a hydrocarbon is strong heated in presence of oxygen. So here our hydrocarbon is ethanol. So we strong heat ethanol in presence of oxygen. So it is ethanol. We heat it in presence of oxygen. When ethyl alcohol ethanol combusts in presence of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide, water and heat. So we have two carbon in ethyl alcohol, so two molecule of carbon dioxide produced. Water and heat. So it is our complete balanced equation of combustion of ethyl alcohol. The next one reaction given by ethyl alcohol is reaction with sodium metal. Students, when ethyl alcohol reacts with sodium metal, it behaves like an acid. It produces hydrogen gas like acids. When acid react with metal, they produce hydrogen gas. And here, when ethyl alcohol react with sodium metal, it also produces hydrogen gas. It is ethyl alcohol. When it react with sodium metal, it produces hydrogen gas and sodium ethoxide. C2H5O and A. Here C2H5O minus is the ethoxide ion and it is sodium. So this compound is called sodium ethoxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. It is our complete balanced equation of reaction of ethanol with sodium metal with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, the identification, we can identify the hydrogen gas by burning test, that hydrogen gas burned with pop sound. If we want to check that this gas is hydrogen or not, then when we bring burning splinter near the test tube, that this gas starts to burn with pop sound. It is the characteristic test of hydrogen gas. The next reaction of ethyl alcohol is dehydration reaction. Dehydration means loss of water. The reaction in which water molecule lost out is dehydration reaction. So here, ethyl alcohol, when we heat ethyl alcohol in presence of an dehydrating agent, which is concentrate sulfuric acid here at 170 degrees Celsius, near about 443 Kelvin, 173 degrees Celsius, when we heat ethyl alcohol in presence of some concentrate sulfuric acid, then this concentrate sulfuric acid acts as an dehydrating agent. It absorbs, it loses out the water molecule from this ethyl alcohol and we get an unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is ethene, with the losing of water molecule. It is our dehydration reaction. Thank you and have a nice day.